Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to another video. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. In today's video we are making something simple and quick. Today I share with you how I make my rice pudding, also known as rice water in Ghana. So let's get into the video. In my pot I will add a considerable amount of water, and also I will add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cover this and let it boil for some few minutes. After 15 minutes, the water is boiling. I went ahead to add my washed rice. Also, I'm using the local rice for this recipe. You can use any rice of your choice. And I also added some salt. Give this a stir, cover it and let it cook on a medium heat. And I want to use this opportunity to welcome my new subscribers. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Like and share this video. And to my old families too, thank you so much for always commenting and watching my video. I do appreciate it a lot, and I wouldn't have been here without your support. Alright guys, after some minutes of adding the milk, the rice pudding already looks so creamy, and I went ahead to add some butter. I also added condensed milk. That will be my sweetener. I really don't like my rice pudding to be too sweet, but feel free to add more sugar if that is what you prefer. I then also added vanilla essence to the rice pudding. Give this a stir, then cover it and let it simmer for some few minutes. And if you are still watching up to this time and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button while you hit that bell to get notified each time I upload a video. So after 10 minutes, our rice pudding is ready. This looks so creamy and easy to prepare. With just some few ingredients, you can prepare your rice pudding at the comfort of your home. And I will just serve them into my bowl and add evaporated milk for extra creaminess. So far, the rice pudding is ready to be enjoyed. This can be taken as breakfast, snack, or even dessert. And I hope you enjoy watching today's video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share this video among your friends, and also comment on this video. Till then, see you in my next video, and peace be with you all. Bye.